camera's off a little bit, huh? Let's see here. That looks a little better. How's the audio? Audio. Looks like it's... That thing's still pointed up, huh? Yeah, maybe like that. No. No, it's down too much. No, I don't like it there either. That's better. Anyway. Morning, folks. Anybody watching anyway? Checking in the markets, see what's going on here. Tired this morning, Monday morning. How was everybody's weekend? Let's make sure this is the 50, right? Yeah. About 10 minutes till open. Count 11, count 12. Yeah. See how this goes. MQ, NQ. Yeah, if I had to build a narrative, I'm looking at all these points that got left. I'm currently sitting at equal highs. So we also have a high there. I could just turn on a magnet, right, and grab that high, something like that. So we got 179. It's a little too high. Looks like that grabbed the right price. Oh yeah, that grabbed it. This one looks good. That one looks good, so these highs and then begin to dump. I feel like these targets if I had to put a target on a trade, this 833 definitely be Something that looks attainable. Let's see. Video. Yeah, we got the even number. Oops. Let's see what happens. We got our levels. I mean, even this low is what is that? 100 points. We will see. We're not going to trade two though. We're just going to trade one. I mean, honestly, I should only need one trade. This thing on the 15-minute. I mean, the other scenario could be we break out and go for this all-time high at 25,400. So yeah, if this is a consolidation before the breakout. So that's the other thing to keep in mind. We had this gap. They used that to fill buy orders. Are the makers happy enough with what they got to shoot it yet, or do they want more? I don't think they're going to get more at that level, but they might get it halfway down. We'll see. Markets seem pretty quiet right now. Anybody gonna do this? Starts in 13 days. 32 minutes. Three shots, $1 million prize pool. I don't know. I just picked Team Nutty because he seems like the least controversial, maybe. Out of all these guys, I don't know. I mean, it's just what it is. I like the kid, so I don't know why it's starting in 13 days and 31 minutes. 9. Oh, because of daylight savings. Gotcha. Interesting. So it's going to start at 6:30 a.m. here. So it's going to start at 5:30 a.m. That's cool. Should be interesting. If I start running up and potentially people start following me, I mean, I probably won't be sharing my trades, but we'll see. I mean, that's still 2 weeks out, so time to see what happens over here. Good old trade of 8. Dumping a little bit going into this open here. How's the camera? Looks good. Yeah, we dumped right off that previous high in London. Almost to the tick. Gotta love how the market does that. So somewhere at like 152 and a couple ticks. Look at this nice blast. Custom time. I want to look at a tick chart actually. Recent. No. I want to look at oh my goodness. Look at this. Is this even tradable? Yikes. I don't know. What else could I... Yeah, look at this. 1 minute bar is not even closed. That thing just pumped 50 points off of this dump. We've swept this high. We swept that high even. See what happens if we, I mean, I would have been happy to get in on this. I have to trade too. That's minimum for two accounts. Rejected 190s here. left this massive fair value gap. Nice structure coming into this with this deep pullback going right before the open. Yeah, I don't know if we're going to get a pull back to there, but that fair value gap would be a nice catch. Stop going under that low. Kind of a lot of risk, 35 points, but going up. Going up. Yeah, I don't know if I could even trade this chart or if it would be advantageous to try. I mean, it's moving so fast. Let's see though, we left a fair value gap right there at the even number. That's pretty interesting. Yeah, I like buying inefficiencies. That's me. That inefficiency will look something like that. And if it does hit, take profit is up there somewhere. About a 1-to-1. Huh. Almost filled. Now we're in. Sell limit. Oops. I mean, the gaps, we'll see. See how this candle closes, but gap was looking respected there. For sure. We really don't know until the candle closes, but 196 is respect. That looks like respect to me. Seven-point risk. Okay. This could be reversing, so we've inverted this fair value gap if it closes below here. Yeah. We don't close below it though. I mean, that's it's pretty bullish. See if we get more respect, but that was pretty bullish to dip all the way down to here and then get bought back up. Oh, we need to sell stop 2. I mean, if we can shoot. Should have taken one off at that 10-point mark. Yeah. Let's see. See if we can get one off at 10. Shoot, otherwise we're going to be... See, this is what happens. Mm-hmm. See, I don't know. I'm gonna buy one more time in this fair value gap. I'm gonna look one more time to get out there and just see where it goes, but we're actually trending down pretty hard all of a sudden, even though we got that massive respect. Now we're near these lows. We'll see. Even though we initially respected this thing big time, we are now inverting it. So I'm kind of thinking actually just to exit the whole thing. Yeah. What time is it? 6:45? Oh, and then look at that. I mean, that's a pretty big... rejection there. Point rejection. See if we get 25 and follow through. Yeah, we're still down. Hmm. Pretty choppy in here. It's already struggling at this, not that it won't start pushing, but well, we just got filled on that. Just close this. That account's up 58, that one's up 48. Okay. Well, all that for a break even. Yeah, the sweep of this low was pretty nice. Now we swept this high and we are clearly rejecting. Let's see. Still pushing. 30s now. Yeah, so we inverted this fair value gap, but then we reclaimed it. We're not creating any other fair value gaps, bearish or bullish. I mean, all these candles overlap, so other than we got this first one here and this one here. Yeah, none of these are screaming sell to me though either. I mean, had this one closed more bearish, like below that, maybe, but kind of in see what happens mode here. Also kind of curious how when we we swept this low. Oh yeah, you left a fair value gap there. Swept this high. Do have a fair value gap there. Still got higher highs, higher lows. But now you got an equal high there. You got a fair value gap there. Yeah, we're dumping pretty quick here. See what happens when we sweep this high. If we sweep this high, but yeah. Seems likely. There it is. Oh yeah, look at that. I just powered right through it. How does that look on the 1 minute chart? That's looking pretty bearish. Yeah. And then probably just buy limit there. That would be, yeah, it's buy stop. Wow, that was 2 saves right there. I'm still gonna stay at take one off at 10 points. want to get off, does it? Now it's probably going to push. Yep. Gonna push. Let's see. Oh, but that's a rejection already. So we got this rejection up at 40. Let's see if this rejection holds. I don't know. Market's dinking around a lot. What am I down 10, 12 points already? Yeah. Can't even get one off. Yeah. Shoot. Mm-hmm. 7 a.m. Probably going to push this high. Yeah. Do I just exit at half drawdown? Kind of want to. Kind of want to because it's pushing. Jeez. Yeah, this didn't go as I wanted, so let's just cut it there and see if something better comes around, because market's dinking around a lot after what looked like a nice reversal setup. Like, momentum was exhausted. You got pretty good dump candle, but then I only got like 7 points of follow through or something. Yeah. And then you got more of this kind of garbage. So, I don't know. That was 600 on one account drawdown. This level might hold, but now I want to see it confirm if it's going to hold. Starting to look like it might. Let's see what it does. It's looking like it's struggling up here. Yeah. I'm gonna take both. Gonna go 1-to-1. First exit. got the lower high. Starting to dump here. See if we get some follow through. Or if we just get more dinking around. I don't know, we got like this trend line that just seems like you should get some liquidity through it, but yeah, now it's like now it's like I should have waited. This was a trap. Yep. It was definitely a trap. There was definitely a probe into liquidity there. If liquidity was taken, I mean, it should invert. Yep, I'm going to shut this down.